back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you press that subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and keep coming back for more. Anyways, guys, this video is about products and things like that, ads and stuff that you see on TV and you be like, do they really work? Should I get that? Should I spend my money on it? Because most of the time it's cheap and you're just trying to figure out whether or not it works, right? So with that being said, I went ahead and purchased two items that I thought would be useful to me. And one of them is the 3-second brow, because for one thing, I can never get my brows right. It's always one going to the left and one going to up in the sky. I just cannot get my brows right for nothing. So I bought this and I want to see if this will work for me. Also, I also bought this finishing touch hair remover. Like, I hate shaving. I don't know about you guys, but shaving is not on top of my list. So I bought this to see if I can just cut that time down and all the other crazy nonsense that I have to go through if I want to go somewhere. So I purchased this. Now, this 3-second brow stamp, and as you can tell, it says as seen on TV. One of those little products that you see on TV that you just want to try. That's what it is. On this one, I don't see that. Hold up, wait. I'm wrong. As seen on TV. Right there. Anyways, guys, I didn't actually buy these off the TV. I actually was in Walgreens and I actually saw them. And if you are familiar with Walgreens and you go in, it's like a little section where it has all the TV products that you can find in one section. So that is where I picked these up from. First, I'm gonna try out this 3-second brow thing. And it's supposed to be an eyebrow stamp. And it says perfect natural looking eyebrows in seconds. I guess we're gonna put that to the test. Anyways, it says just press and place. 3 seconds is all it takes. Blends with most hair and skin tones. So most meaning it might not blend in with mine. Guess we're gonna find out. This is what it looked like in the inside. This is the box, and let me not forget the most important part. This costed $9.99. So not much, just a smaller investment. So again, it comes with two stamps. I mean, two, I don't even know what they call those things, but it says the kit includes, what does it say? It doesn't say it. All it said is it includes one eyebrow stamp kit. Okay, whatever. Anywho, I'm gonna try to get this open. Cause it got tape on it. Oops, I broke that. Anyways, we open the pack. This is what it looked like. Something just fell out. Hold on a second. I'm guessing it's this little brow pencil thingy. So it's like an angled brush on one end, and then it's like a spoolie on the other end. That comes in handy. Also, there's a card that's basically giving you directions on how to do it. More directions, blah, blah. Let's get to the real stuff. What we really want to see. All right. So here comes the stencils. I have to figure out which one fits my eyebrow shape. And I guess it's gonna be this one. I'm gonna pick this one. And I guess this is for my right eyebrow. I don't think this is gonna work, but no, I don't think it's gonna be that one. Let's see, maybe this one? Maybe this one might work. Let's see. Whatever. Let's go in here and try to make it do what it do. I'm trying to open this spoolie up. Oops, I was all wrong. Come on. Come on. I just hate all this damn packaging. Jesus. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrow hairs up in an angle. I'm gonna take this little stencil and I guess I'm gonna dip it into the powder like that. Now it says this is supposed to be in like 3 seconds, right? So I'm gonna hold it to my face for like 3 seconds, okay? Y'all count with me, okay? Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on now. For real? For real? Now what am I supposed to do with all this hair that's left out? I'm supposed to blend that in or something? I ain't gonna lie. Initially, right here, it does the job. But over here, it's not working. So on the left eye, what I'm gonna do is try the other stencil, right? And see if that works, okay? I'm gonna try this one for the left eye. So I'm gonna put it back in this damn brow gel or brow powder, right? I got it all on there. Y'all ready? 3 seconds, count with me. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what the hell happened? What did I do wrong? Somebody tell me what I did wrong. What is this? All right. So what I'm gonna do, I've determined that I put that on there wrong. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off, and we're gonna try that again. So let's wipe that off. It comes off really easy though. Okay. We wipe that off. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my spoolie and I'm brush all my hairs up in an angle. And we're gonna try this again. We're gonna try this one more time. So again, we're gonna take this, put it into the powder, and then we're gonna put it on this eyebrow. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. I mean, that's better. That's not bad at all. Look at that. That is really not that bad. Now this up here, I don't know what that is. That's not for me, but this was not that bad. So I've determined that, guys, when you're using this, you have to make sure you line it up correctly. And you could get your perfect eyebrows in less than, well, not less than, in less than 5 seconds. So I'm giving this a thumbs up. Anyways, let's move on from all of that. I want to try this right here. Okay, and what this is a hair removal. Okay, now I already took it out the package because you have to charge it for 2.5 hours. So I already had it out the package. I had charged it up and whatever. And this product cost me $9.99, of course. So this is what it looked like. And it says finishing touch. And I guess that's me turning on. You see the light? See the light? It's blinking. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it comes on. I don't know none of that stuff. But what I'm going to do is put it up to my skin. I don't know if you can see the hairs on my arm. And let's see if anything happens. Y'all saw that? That scared me. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Now, where have I been? Look at that. Y'all see that hair? It works. It scared the hell out of me, but it works. Look at that. Let's go again. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at the hair. Look at the hair right there. I'm giving this a thumbs up because, man, I really thought it wasn't going to work, but it worked. Look at the hair. Look at that. That's proof that it works. So I'm giving that a thumbs up. So overall, guys, I spent $20 and I think that both of these products are okay. Especially the hair removal. It works excellent. Now this eyebrow thing, I don't know about, but we're going to keep working on that. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, anything of the sort, please make sure you put them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have plenty more to come in the future. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.